Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to set up classes in Canva so that students can submit assignments through the Canva platform. So the first thing that you'll need to do is log into Canva, and you'll need to make sure that you already have an educator account. And so if you need any support with how to get a verified educator account, please let me know, and I would be happy to walk you through that. The first thing that you're going to need to do is create a class. So what we'll do is click on your icon down on the left side of the screen, or it may just be your initials. And we're going to go to settings. And under people management, you should see people, classes, or it may say groups, and team profile. I'm going to click on classes. If yours says groups, that's perfectly fine. And we're going to click create a class. And for the purposes of this video, I'm going to call it demo class, and I'll click continue. Now, for students to be able to join your class, you're going to want to share an invite link with them. So I'm going to click get the invite link, and it's valid for 30 days. So I'll copy that link, and then I can share that with them through Google Classroom or Schoology or whatever platform you use. All right, then I'm going to go back to Canva, and I'm going to search for a template. So I'll search for a place value worksheet for this. And if I take a look at this one and decide I like it, I'm going to choose customize the template. All right, so notice that this template comes in a colorful page and a black and white page so that you could print this off and share it with students if you wanted to. But for now, since we're using this on Canva, I'm going to delete the black and white page. Then I'm going to want students to be able to complete the worksheet by using a text box to enter the number, and then use the place value table to determine how the number is represented. So in order to make sure things don't move around on the template as students are working with it, I'm going to click the lock position icon so that students can't move this when they're working in it. And so I'll do that for each of the elements. All right, that way students won't accidentally move the template around as they're working in it. You could even go ahead and put a text box in for students. So if you want them to type their number there, you could put type here. For the last section, these are for base 10 blocks, so I can go to Elements and find base 10 blocks. And I could actually give them some graphics to be able to use. In this way, students can copy and paste the base 10 blocks, or they can delete if they don't need, say, the 100 block or the 10 block. All right, when I'm happy with my template, I'm going to click Share, and I'm going to click Assign. I'm going to choose Assign in Canva, and I'm going to tell it what class I would like to assign it to, so I'll assign it to the demo class. And what this will do is it will create a new copy for each student. And I can type a message if I want this, in all caps, this is your station work for today. And I'll click Assign. And then it's going to tell me that the assignment is ready. I can give students a link to this specific assignment, or students can simply log into Canva and go to the classwork link over on the side, so I can copy this link and I can give them that assignment, or in the student account, they'll see over here on the side a link to classwork. In Canva, the way that you would check your classwork is to go to More, and then you'll see Classwork. And then you can click on an assignment. It'll tell you how many people have completed the assignment. It will also tell you in progress that you need to review it, or that it's already been reviewed. So I'm going to click on one that needs to be reviewed. And once I review it, I can click Review. I can give any feedback here. And I can either ask them to resubmit, or I can mark as done. And that's how you can use a template in Canva to push it out to each student individually and then give students feedback. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Dear Dis content.